and welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Nike Dunk Highs in the Syracuse colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoy it. Feel free also to leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we have so much heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out our membership tiers. We've got so many perks on there, so be sure to take the time to check that out when you get a moment, as well as our Shade merch store. We've got some great items on that website, so be sure to check that out when you have time. All right, so as mentioned earlier, we are going to be taking a look at the much anticipated shoe. I think people are wondering if I even copped it, but yes, that is the Dunk that released about a month ago. These are the Dunk Highs in the Syracuse colorway, and boy, is this a vibrant color. This is definitely a color that I've been seeing on a lot of people's feet because this is literally like a great colorway for the springtime and the summertime. So definitely understand why this shoe sold out so quickly and why I'm seeing it on so many people's feet on the streets. So first we're going to take a look at this colorway, go through it. Then I'm going to talk about the sizing and fit, followed by how I styled this fun, bright colorway. Then we're going to conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market. I think they are actually surprisingly doing better than I had anticipated. So definitely stay till the end to hear about that. All right, let's jump into it and talk about this beautiful pop of color. So this is the Syracuse's, and this is the Orange Blaze color scheme. Orange Blaze is just such a nice, bright, vibrant orange colorway that literally is eye-catching. This is definitely a shoe. If you're going to be wearing this on the street, this is going to catch people's attention. It's so bright, so vibrant in person. Let's start with the toe box. We've got that nice, just crisp white leather on the toe box there. In the frontal portion of the toe box, you've got that Orange Blaze coloring scheme on the overlay. Working our way up, we've got the nice, just crisp white nylon tongue. And then we've got that Orange Blaze lace to go and match the color scheme, as well as that accent of the Orange Blaze on the Nike and swoosh mark at the top of the tongue. So let's just take a quick little peek on those details. All right, so moving on to the side panels of the silhouette, we're going to look at the crisp white underlays here, and then we've got some of that bright pop of Orange Blaze on the overlays on the swoosh. As far as we move farther to the back of the shoe, we're going to see on the heel counter that we've got more accents of the Orange Blaze with hints of white underlays, just matching the pattern perfectly. On the inner portion of the shoe on the collar there, we've got a nice pop of that orange coloring scheme on the collar, and it looks like the insole matches the collar perfectly in the same orange tone, and we've got the Nike and swoosh sign and a nice crisp white color. We're going to finish off the shoe with a simplistic white midsole and that nice pop of orange again on the outsole. Overall, this is just a nice poppingly bright coloring scheme. to size and fit. So this is in women's sizing. So I got this in a size 9. They also offered this in men's sizing. So if I were to have copped this in the men's sizing, I would have gone for a 7.5, which is equivalent to a woman's 9. I would definitely recommend staying true to size on this one. I would not size up or down. Again, I do have narrow feet with high arches. So depending on the shape and size of your foot, if you're flat-footed, if you have no arch whatsoever, and also wide feet, that will also differentiate what shoe is going to work best for you. So definitely take that into consideration. All right, so now let's jump into styling. This was a fun shoe to style just because the weather in New York is getting so nice and it's making the styling section so much more fun to get to shoe out when the weather is in the 70s here in New York. So for the first look, I wore this Chrome Hearts off-white hoodie. As you guys can see, it really just pops quite well and matches this quite perfectly. I decided to pair that with a just kind of sporty skirt in a gray and black tone, and I think that that was just a nice kind of spring, fun, dressed up look for the first option.
All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. Friend of me, enemy. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me.
Look, I decided to wear my Casablanca t-shirt, and Casablanca is known to kind of bring some orange hues and greens into their looks, so that was just definitely the perfect accented orange on that t-shirt. I wore it with just some nice bright blue denim pants.
I'm about to go cool. Leave on my head is red like old new. Yeah, trying to get the grain like it's Whole Foods. Couldn't take my style and now you so blue. Yeah, now we don't need know you. Your hometown, we don't need go to. Trying to get it worldwide, global. Looking like I can show you. Be killing this is go-to. Skrilla, the whole man killer. Life so free, can no man kill him. Came from the bottom, was a broke man, girl. Still move like 10 man with no fam with them. Boom. Pardon me, I get hectic. Boom. I survive through the wreckage. Should go look for the exit. New sheriff in town, I get a little reckless. Missed the memo, go check the message.
And for the last and final look, I wore an orange tank top from Zara, and that orange tank top doesn't match this perfectly, but I did want to give you guys a different idea and perspective on really being able to work this orange in with other orange tones. I don't think you need to be so matchy-matchy for this to work, and that's why I wanted to bring a different kind of orange coloring scheme into the mix there. And then I just paired that with some nice denim as well, and those were a baggier fit with some nice rips in there. I do think that this works well with light denim, also darker denims too.
Then came back for seconds. I hate seeing your fake little necklace. Lifestyle decrepit, I should probably expect this. Too much game for your league. I'm Hussein with Steve, Hussein on beats. Legendary, I'm everything you aim to be. I'm insane and free, you can't tame the beast.
Friend of me, enemy. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. Friend of me, enemy. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. Friend of me, enemy. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me.
So you guys let me know in the comments down below, what was your favorite look of the three?
But they all see is you need help. But still you try so hard to cover up your games. You try so hard, hoping that one day something gon' change. You waste all of your time covering up your tracks. Spend all your days running away. You gotta watch your back, and that's the facts. You spend so much of your life scheming and trying to get over. Got you wondering why you come around. disclosed show. Yeah, you try so hard to cover up your games. You try so hard, hoping that one day something gon' change. You try so hard. Yeah. You try so hard. You try so hard. Yeah. You try so hard. Give it. Can't run away from it.
We'll conclude now with the resale on these. So these shoes retailed at $110, and currently they are going between $200 to $250, which makes quite a lot of sense because I have been seeing a lot of people literally wearing this everywhere. This is the only dunk, honestly, that I've seen kind of consistently throughout the week, seeing this color scheme on people's feet. So I definitely think orange is on people's radar, and they definitely are wanting to rock this bright orange blaze colorway in the springtime. And also I can see this definitely moving into the summertime as well. All right, you guys, thanks so much again for tuning in to another one of my unboxings and reviews. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much for joining, as well as hit that like if you haven't already, and leave us any comments or questions down below if you have any on this unboxing and review. Be sure to hit that notification bell because we have so many dunks I'm backed up with. Honestly, we've got like 3 or 4 dunks to actually still shoot for you guys. So definitely hit that notification bell so you're alerted as soon as those are uploaded to the YouTube space. Also, don't forget to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as our Shade merch store. Be sure to check that out when you get a chance also. All right, everybody, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will see you on the next episode.